So ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to unbox the 98 QNED 98, the biggest QNED TV in the UAE. Can you stand there? I'll show the height of the TV. See, it's almost equal to his height. So we are unboxing it, baby. So we go back to this side also. Then you pull this one out. You can either cut it, but we normally want to remain with our ties because sometimes we are doing repacks for the same thing. So he has broken it. Okay. Okay, now you can cut. So mind you, this TV is too tall. So just stand there, you see the height of the TV. Come and stand in the middle. So that's the height. This guy is short, but the TV is also tall. Now it's time to unbox. So first of all, it comes with this. So you have to open this. Remove here. Remove here. Remove these ones also. Remove. Just press and remove. Press and remove. So now we'll open from the top. Or else you can just remove it from the box. Just a minute, let me call someone. So, and there we go. And ladies and gentlemen, wow! So ladies and gentlemen, this is our 98 inches. So remove this. This will be the cables. So this is the back side, and the front will be this side. And okay, now time to put it here. Time to install it. Okay, let's first have a look at it, how it looks like. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, this is our 98 inches. Opened by the experts. Mr. Riaz on the side, plus insect. We'll lift over just a minute. Bending, we have to go down. That's how you do it when it's safe. Bend it, then put it on the box. Okay. So guys, this is the legs it comes with. So mind you, this one is almost weighing up to 1 kg, or if not 1 kg, these two. It will show you the left, and then it will show you the right, L. Then the cables is different from the previous cable, and the remote is not different from the normal remote which LG has. It's the same. So this will be, open this. This will be our screws for just here. Okay. These are the ones that these are the screws that we have inside, big ones. Then, so let's start for the installation. Okay, this is left. Left will be that side. The hair. Let me check, just 1 minute. So it has two types of screws inside. It has this, then it has these big ones which I just showed you earlier before, but these ones will be coming here. Just in case you're going to install the wall bracket, you'll just put them here inside. Then you can connect the wall bracket, like it has, see it has the drilling thing. So you can connect this in the wall bracket. You have to connect the wall bracket screws inside here. Then the other tall one, then the tall ones you'll have to, yo bro, I'm cool. Tall ones will be coming here. For some clients. See, the guy was thinking that he's smarter than I did one, like view one's audio. Then he thinks that you cannot forward the view one's audio, you know. And he's like, no, I have screenshot. What, you will screenshot an audio? And I deleted even the audio, I think, after he listened to it. So he didn't find it again.
What you talk to him?
Oh, even today I came, I told him, you're so stupid, man. And then he's like, no, you think you're smart. I'm like, oh, yeah, I'm smart. I'm smarter than you. He's like, I have evidence for the audio. I'm like, okay, show it. Because I know you cannot show me the evidence for the viewer's audio unless you recorded it. Okay. With another phone. But it doesn't have that brain of recording with another phone.
And once you open that one, it automatically deletes.
It will delete. I'm not stupid also. This guy thinks
so
that...
You are not talking to him right now.
Why should I talk to him? He's useless to me, you know?
Yes, of course.
What, is he going to give me customers or what? Nothing.
And this guy is just standing there, told him to check. He's just, he will bring the paper to sign in there.
That's
you
the
need
thing.
to come there.
You have to come here then and sign. Oh man, this guy is crazy, wallah. And the thing, even that thing he put in the picture he took, it's a matter of removing that thing and putting it there on your way out.
This guy is bad.
Trust me. I hate such guys who pretend that they are smarter than us. We might not be smart, but we are smart.
So, how much talent pay insect for this one?
Which one?
For this one, should we have talent pay, no? For insect.
Talent?
Talent pay.
Nothing. But
But
you
lose that one, the first one. No, this one first. Don't be tight.
You know, today he came
Okay, then put that one now.
Today he came when he's sober. This farmer yesterday, I almost slapped him also. Isaac, do not drink like that again.
And this one is too heavy, no?
Even the TV is too heavy and you're going to help me.
Where did you display?
I'm going to put it there.
Okay.
Okay. Alas, now time to lift it. Okay, right now we are going to set the TV up. You have to press the button, sorry, the OK button on the remote. Okay, so right now we are going to set it up. We are going to set up our TV, the 98-inch. Actually, you see the difference between this is 85, this is 98. So there is a huge difference in the size. And let's not waste any other time. Let's try to set it up now. So English. So the magic remote has connected successfully. So language is English. And we're in the Middle East, so we are going to set up where we are. Then time zone, Dubai. The best city in the world. Then we are going to use the remote. We are not going to use the ThinQ app. So we can put in our password. I'll set up my password for the moment. One one two two three three 44. That's the password I'm using. I guess it's wrong. I forgot my password. Okay, I guess my password is wrong. I'll try again. So once our internet is connected, it will bring the terms and conditions. Then we have to agree with the terms and conditions. Otherwise, the applications will not come in time. So let's try again. That happens when the internet is slow. So if you do it multiple times, it will skip, then it will download later. So I guess my internet is slow, so we have to just press OK. Then let's go set manually. I'm not going to put anything, so it's none. So if you're going to put in your satellite or anything, you just press the other options. So mine is on the stand. This will affect the sound of the TV and now I'm activating the AI Picture Pro and the AI Sound Pro. And I'll activate my Always Ready also, so that you can say hi LG or something, then the TV will open. So without using the remote. So as you see, this is our TV. It has started. So now the applications are supposed to be here, because we've not accepted the terms and conditions, user agreement, then applications won't be coming. So this is what I was saying. It will bring the terms and conditions later. So you have to accept all and agree. Then, and boom, applications will be coming here. And if there is anything that you want more than that, you can download from from the LG app. So we'll also be upgrading our operating system, but I won't be using my data. I'm going to switch on another Wi-Fi to do that. So if you're on Wi-Fi, or if you have enough data, you just select the yes. But I'm going to update it later when I change the Wi-Fi because this is data I'm using. And kaboom, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our LG 98QNED. And please don't forget to subscribe. If any questions you want to ask, please ask in the comment section below. I'll be answering you within 1 day or 2 days max. So, and by the way, did you see the speakers? It has big ass speakers. Sorry for the language, I apologize. I'm really sorry. Sometimes, you know, it slides. Yeah, eye comfort, everything's there. Let's try to watch something. Like let's see the demo. Yo, bro. Okay, let's go on YouTube. Yo. I got customers who are coming in, and so I was telling you how to update your operating system. So just go to settings and select support. Then you select the auto if you have Wi-Fi. Then you can check. Now mine, it will be like 16.01. That's like 1 GB of update. Then we'll download and install it. So here now it will start installing. Okay, now let's check something out. Whether now my internet is not working on these applications. The internet which I installed, I'll show you still later how to update your applications. I'll change the internet settings. But for the moment, we are doing an update, baby. And guys, don't forget that with these new TVs, these new LG TVs, you can upgrade your operating system for 5 years. You can upgrade it. Yeah, the operating system, not the TV. You know, some people will be thinking that they'll give them a new TV every year for 5 years. No, this is like upgrading the operating system to a new one. Same like iOS. Whenever iPhone launches every year, they are changing the operating system. So that's how it's gonna be. And guys, once again, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please press the notification button. We love you so much. I know my internet is gonna work. It's not going to work here. Let's try. Let's try to see if it will update any application with my internet, which is Caravan. Excuse me. Ups. It's not showing here. And once you log in, it will show.